This piano piece I'm about to play here, this is called Ruben Rachel. Ruben, Ruben, I've been thinking what a fine world this would be if the boys were all transported far across the northern sea. Rachel, Rachel, I've been thinking what a fine world this would be if the girls were all transported far across the northern sea. Yes, complete, total wiping out of that. Yes, now this is played with good humor here. This is played with good humor here. Now this is mezzo forte, so this is in medium loud. The slurs arcing throughout the entire grand staffs of each, and then you play this twice in order for these lyrics here. Lyrics of truth. Now this is playing it with quarter notes and also half notes, and then this is the third and second fingers, fourth and first on the right hand, and also the third and first and second. Also on the left hand, first, third, and second. Now this is mezzo forte, so this is medium loud, and then you have this such. Now the next piece to play is called Fiesta. Fiesta. Come to the fiesta, where your sombrero orchestrate is playing down in Mexico. Yeah, well, that is sounds very like Mexico. Fun. Now this is loud and playing it cheerily. So now they have forte. Now this is slurs throughout each two measures, and then there's quarter notes and half notes and whole notes here, and then you have the fifth, the third, the fourth, and the second, and the first fingers on the left hand, and then you have the second, fourth, third, first on the right hand, and fifth as well to play this, and that is Fiesta. Now this next is Pinwheels, and here what exactly that is right even showing here to clarify that. Now this is Pinwheels. Now this is to be played with a has an etc. This is meaning you are supposed to improvise it, and so now you play this as instructions. Play this and then play it once more, but now you're going to play this slightly different. So play this and then once more. Now this is 3 beats measure, quarter notes here, and a dotted half note, and then 3 beats measure. Mezzo piano playing volume is medium loud. Now I'm going to play this and then improvise again. Now that is me improvising this. Okay, now next piece is going to play Fish Market. So here's that Fish Market. Fish today, fish today, catfish, flatfish, fresh today. Now this is that. This is only playing treble clef here because showing right hand now. This is forte, volume, loud, 4 beats, measure, and quarter notes and half notes showing. Yes, it seems to be the market going there. And now, now then, okay. This is self-explanatory that this to gain this marketplace going, and then now playing this in the first in the key numbers, playing it in first finger, and then also fourth finger, playing this, and then known as a fourth interval of a fourth. That is what this is, going from 1 to 4. That is only for that finger numbers. And then now we're going to play marching band. Fife and drum, here they come, hear the pounding of the drum. Now once more, like constructed, orderly style of a marching band. Now here's this playing in forte, volume, loud, and then you have the first and the fourth again playing it. So that would be fourth interval of a fourth. This is what this is because they are right here. See, denoting that you play this. This is an interval of fourth, showing here this key. Now, fourth. That is playing it quarter notes and half notes, and then once more, that is a interval of a fourth. That it's fourth and first only finger numbers. Now the next piece we're going to play is called Collision. Jumping down, jumping up, we'll meet in the middle. So that was that, and then the final measure is playing both notes are actually the same note here because it's both on the middle C here. So that was very clever to have this lyric, and then because the final note is that such, so then we know now this is mezzo, forte, volume, loud, and then this is having staccatos on these quarter notes, and then there's half notes and also quarter notes regular, and there's a slur. Different. This has also the second and the fifth, first fingers on the right hand, and then fifth and second on and first on the left. So now we already have the interval of fourths, continuation of that, which is, to clarify, interval of fourths is that each note is there is 4 notes in separation playing for each hand. That is, this would be an example, G, F, E, D, so that would be 4 notes and 2 notes in between each these. That is an interval of fourth, to be playing it as I have been playing it as well in this piece, in this piece, and in this piece here, in both these, in Fish Market and Marching Band. Fish Market and Marching Band. And then here you have as well a contrast between two of the measures. You have staccatos in the first two, and then slur in the second, last, final two. Now this is going to be playing a piece called Cold Engine. Over and over, try it again. It will work now, and then. That is interesting that this would be a cold engine. Technical sounding to keep it, trying to make it work. Now this is piano here to make it work. Now this is piano to make it work. Now this is piano, which is volume, loud, 3 beats per measure, and then there's quarter notes, half notes, and dotted half notes here, and then slurs are constant throughout, and sounding through such very technical sound. Now this is called Scotland's Burning piece, only on bass clef, and this Cold Engine, by the way, you play it in interval of fourths once more, as we have been doing in the recent pieces, which is there's 2 notes in between, and everything is basically 4 notes apart. As you can note here, C, B, A, G, so that would be the 4 notes grouped, and then this is fourth, first, and second fingers, only on the treble clef, and third. And then here, Scotland's Burning. Now, Scotland's Burning, now we'll play this. Scotland's burning, Scotland's burning, fire, 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 pour on water, So this is forte, loud, and then, that is interesting, an entire country, maybe it's something to do with a sort of maybe going on, sort of a thing going on over there for whatever reason. Now you have it only bass clef, and then something might be going on over there. Something might be going on over there. And then there's only forte volume, and then this is the bass clef on fourth, and the first fingers. This is once again interval of a fourth, and then there's first, fourth, and first fingers on the left hand, and then you play this also with a right hand here. This is half notes and quarter notes. So that is that. And now on Tiptoe, that would be the next piece here. So this is treble clef again here. Now, tip, toe, softly, just so, on our up toes we go. Yes, so this like a tiptoe, it was odd because you start this off with the 5th finger. So here I'm going to play this once more. Tiptoe, softly, just so, on our tiptoes we go. Now I played this, which is again interval of fourths, so there is that. You have playing it fourth, notes, 2 notes in between, so that would be the 5th and 2nd fingers is what is being used a lot here, and then there's also a 3rd finger, and then this has staccatos obviously, and then slurs, and then this 4 beats per measure. And the note here is the same exact. You simply hold this, this quarter note, hold it for 2 notes here, and then there's half notes as well. Hold this quarter note for 2 hold this quarter note for 2 notes, hold this quarter note for 2 notes, and then there's half notes, and then that is that. Then there's next thing, which is feeling upbeat. So this is the piece. It's up, we go, and up, and then it's up once more, and round again. And that is feeling a beat. Yes, that is great. Now, that is playing it in forte, which is loud, and there's 4 beats per each measure here, and then this is quarter notes throughout, and you would play it with the 4th and 1st and 3rd, 2nd fingers on the left hand, and also the 1st and 4th fingers on the right